we have been given this time round, guys and boys, we've been given this kitchen to decorate. It's supposed to look something like this. Yeah, that's the rough picture I've been given. So we start by I've already removed the old fridge that was around the space just to start redecorating, but I'm gonna change the wall. Which colors, guys, do you want? I'm gonna go with this, the first one. Pure white. No, let's take this one. I'll keep you guys updated because for now we don't have enough money to do the decorations.